Hey guys, I'm Justin Boggs, the co-founder and chief revenue officer of Marketplace Valet. We have been an Amazon seller since 2006 with over 400,000 reviews as a seller. I'm here to help you learn about Amazon, solve problems, and answer common questions. Today's video is about how to use Amazon FBA for seasonal promotions. Let's get into it. If you are following along from my screen, leveraging Amazon FBA for seasonal promotions can be a game changer for your business. Start by planning ahead. Make sure you have enough inventory in Amazon's fulfillment centers well before the peak shopping periods. This ensures that your products are ready to be shipped as soon as customers place their orders. Next, optimize your product listings. Use seasonal keywords and update your product descriptions to align with the upcoming holiday or event. This will make your listings more relevant and increase their visibility when shoppers are searching for seasonal items. Take advantage of Amazon's advertising tools. Run sponsored products ads to highlight your seasonal deals and drive more traffic to your listings. Consider offering limited time discounts or coupons to encourage quick purchases. These promotions can also help you stand out in a crowded marketplace. Monitor your performance closely during the promotion period. Keep an eye on your sales metrics and adjust your strategy as needed. If you see certain products selling faster than expected, consider increasing your ad budget or reordering stock to maintain momentum. Lastly, after the promotion ends, review your campaign's performance. Analyze what worked and what didn't, so you can refine your approach for future seasonal promotions. By effectively using Amazon FBA, you can maximize your reach and boost your sales during key shopping periods. If you have any questions, feel free to check us out at marketplacevalet.com. Like and follow us for more helpful Amazon content. Thanks for watching this video.